What's going on? Thanks for checking out my next video on how to draw anime poses from reference. This time I will be drawing Bang from One Punch Man, the old fighter, martial arts fighter. And so right now I'm using the shapes to define how the pose is going to how to be. You see how I did the chest where I put the lines wrapping around, and I'm kind of like angling it down because I'm following the angle to where his torso is positioned. And then I like to place a lot of construction lines in the middle of like the head, in the middle of the chest, to figure out where that center line is, to start placing everything. And then once I get that straight, I'll start adding in the detail with the pencil, and then start adding in the eyebrows, the eyes, kind of working the general structure of the head. And the head is usually the first thing I will throw in there a majority of the time, because I want to make sure you get the face right, because the face is kind of like the important part of the body, because that's where you want to get the most expression before you start focusing on the rest of the body. So I'm trying to get in as much detail as I can, and the hair and everything else. And then once I kind of get the general idea for what the head is going to be, I'll go towards everything else, and I can go back and fix everything on the head after I have a general idea of where it's going to go. So getting the head in, now I'm putting in the torso. And since I've laid out the construction lines, I already kind of know where everything's going to be placed and fit in. That's why the abs, you see, I'll follow the lines I made rotating around the torso. Getting in that, the shoulders. Getting all the muscle detail on the shoulders. And usually when I drop it in, I'll drop it in with I have like a light pencil. It's like a pencil with, I forgot what lead it is, but it's kind of a lighter lead. That's why you see that the lines that I've created the constructions with is lighter than the pencil I'm using right now. It's kind of the easy way for me to sketch. I can kind of sketch it in real fast, get like a general idea of where to lay the shapes down without having to erase as much, because I'm just laying out the lines over top of each other, just overlapping without really having the lines darken, because the lead is always light. Getting that arm fist twisted the other way. Getting in the wrinkles in his pants. Not really following it to the exact, just using the reference just to kind of get a general idea of laying him down, to make sure he gets all his bruises and scratches, wrinkles in his head. It's all about just having fun with it, using it as a kind of a warm-up before we start doing some other stuff. Getting his little bruise in his arm and his shoulder. Alright, that's his video. Want to see more? The like button, subscribe. Alright, take care.